The three children that have visited this morning are thoroughly deserving, and I have found one paradigm which must be shifted right now, that once a child has won this scholarship, the onus now lies with government to place that child in a suitable boarding school. Reason being, the government already pays everything for the day secondary schools, which are 75% of the schools, at the rate of a capitation of 22,240 shillings per child. And basically what the child requires is to be either uniform or lunch money. So there's no need to have a good scholarship and you go to a day school. Therefore, we are going to ensure as a government that all the children who land this Elimu scholarship shall go to boarding schools where everything is catered for, including school uniform and transport. I'm going to persuade His Excellency the President to authorize that we have another 18,000, 9,000 for next year and 9,000 for the following year, so that we have a whole 4 years of Elimu scholarship cohorts, which will then be helping about 36,000 children from poor backgrounds. The process, those who don't get should not lose hope. We have the national CDF for this area. The chairman is here. I'm just pleading with them to follow the same dynamics. We shall also get another few scholarships from the banks, like the KCB Foundation, Safaricom Foundation, Absa Bank, and I've also approached the cooperative bank, so that the children that just miss but deserve, we still need to have their list.